Hey there, welcome to Infomedia. Have you ever stopped to think about just how amazing your body is? Right now, without you even realizing it, your body is working behind the scenes to heal cuts, fight off germs, repair organs, and so much more. In today's video, we're diving into 15 fun and fascinating facts about how your body heals itself. From invisible warriors inside you to mind-blowing regeneration tricks, you're about to discover why your body is one epic healing machine. So sit back, relax, and get ready to appreciate your body like never before. 1. Your skin regenerates itself every month. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it's constantly working to protect you. But here's something wild. Every 28 to 30 days, you basically get a brand new layer of skin. Your body sheds old, dead skin cells and replaces them with fresh ones from underneath. That means every month, you're walking around in a whole new suit. This process speeds up when you have a cut or scrape. Your body rallies cells to rebuild the area, stitch the layers back together, and restore your skin to its full strength. It's like a self-repairing armor. 2. Scabs are nature's band-aids. Ever wondered why you get a scab after a scrape? It's actually your body's version of a DIY patch kit. As soon as your skin is broken, platelets in your blood rush to the scene and form a clot to stop the bleeding. That clot dries and hardens into a scab, which shields the wound from dirt and bacteria while your skin repairs underneath. When the job's done, the scab falls off, voila, leaving new skin in its place. Your body literally seals and heals like magic. 3. Your liver can regrow itself. Your liver is basically a superhero. It's the only organ in your body that can fully regenerate itself. You could lose up to 70% of your liver, and it would still grow back to its full size. Scientists still don't fully understand how it works, but your liver uses specialized cells to rebuild its own tissue and restore full function. It's like having a backup plan built into your system, ensuring that even after serious damage, your body keeps going strong. 4. Broken bones talk to themselves to heal. When you break a bone, your body instantly goes into repair mode. But did you know that your bone cells actually communicate to heal? Special cells called osteoblasts and osteoclasts start chatting through chemical signals. One group breaks down damaged bone, while the other builds new bone in its place. Over time, this conversation rebuilds your bone even stronger than before. It's teamwork at the cellular level, and your skeleton knows exactly what to do. 5. Your brain can rewire after injury. Think your brain can't bounce back after an injury? Think again. Thanks to a process called neuroplasticity, your brain can actually rewire itself. If one area is damaged, nearby parts of the brain can learn to take over its job. It's like rerouting traffic after a roadblock. Your brain finds new paths to keep things moving. This is especially helpful after strokes or trauma, and it shows just how adaptable your mind truly is. 6. You're producing new blood cells every second. Your body is a blood cell factory. Right now, your bone marrow is churning out around 2 million new red blood cells every single second. These cells transport oxygen, heal wounds, and fight infection. When you're sick or injured, your body ramps up production to make even more of the cells it needs to recover. It's an internal army that never sleeps, and it's always on your side. 7. White blood cells are your personal bodyguards. White blood cells are like tiny soldiers patrolling your bloodstream. When an infection or injury occurs, they rush to the site, attack bacteria, and clean up the mess. They even remember past invaders so they can respond faster next time. This is the foundation of your immune memory, and it's what makes vaccines work so well. 8. Your gut repairs itself daily. Your intestines go through a ton of wear and tear every day. But they have a secret superpower. They regenerate faster than almost any other tissue in your body. In fact, your gut lining renews itself every 4 to 5 days. This constant self-repair is what helps your digestive system keep working smoothly, even after spicy food, illness, or a stomach bug. 9. Fever is actually a healing response. You might hate having a fever, but it's actually your body's clever way of fighting off infection. When your immune system senses invaders, it raises your internal temperature to make your body less hospitable to bacteria and viruses. It's like turning up the heat to flush them out. So while fevers feel lousy, they're a sign that your immune system is doing its job. 10. Your body forms new blood vessels. Ever wonder how a cut gets its blood supply back? Your body can actually grow new blood vessels in a process called angiogenesis. When tissue is damaged, signals are sent out that encourage the formation of tiny new vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients. It's like your body is laying down fresh plumbing to bring a construction site back to life. 11. Your tears can heal. Crying isn't just emotional, it's biological. Your tears contain antibacterial enzymes that help protect and heal your eyes. When something irritates your eye, tears flush out harmful particles and prevent infection. Plus, emotional crying can even release stress hormones, helping your body recover from emotional pain. Turns out, tears are both healing and healthy. 12. Bruises change color as they heal. That black and blue mark on your leg is more than just a blotch, it's a colorful timeline of healing. Bruises happen when blood leaks under the skin. As your body breaks down the trapped blood, it changes color, from red and purple to green, yellow, and brown. Each hue tells a different part of the healing story. Pretty cool, right? 13. Sleep supercharges healing. Your body does its best healing while you sleep. That's because rest triggers the release of growth hormone, which helps repair tissue, build muscle, and regenerate cells. Your immune system also becomes more active during sleep, fighting off infections and reducing inflammation. So the next time you're sick or injured, give yourself permission to nap. You're literally healing in your sleep. 14. Even your DNA can repair itself. Every single day, your DNA gets damaged by things like sunlight, pollution, and even normal cellular activity. Luckily, your cells have repair mechanisms that act like genetic mechanics. They find the damaged bits, snip them out, and patch things up. Without this system, your body wouldn't last very long, so it's pretty amazing that this microscopic process happens billions of times a day. 15. Scar tissue is nature's fix-it fabric. While not as flexible as original skin, scar tissue is your body's way of quickly patching up deeper wounds. It's made of collagen and forms fast to seal the area and prevent infection. Over time, the body remodels that scar to improve its strength and function. Think of it as your body throwing down emergency duct tape, then upgrading it into something more permanent. And there you have it, 15 amazing ways your body heals itself, all happening behind the scenes while you go about your day. Isn't it incredible how much your body does for you without even being asked? If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more fascinating health facts, and share it with someone who needs a reminder of how powerful their body really is. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep healing.